with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links.
What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Check it out. We have got all of the parts back to put the dually back together. All of our paint, all of our powder coat from our man Cam at Knockout Customs. You guys might say I like the same thing and we do the same thing, but guess what? It's one of my babies, and you know, I like what I like, and it's just right. And that would be gold and black. So went with the same gold that we always go with on all of our rigs. And you know, we had to do a little bit more murdered out. So check it out. Our King 2.5 shocks used to be the conventional Carly blue theme. We went ahead and called up our guys over at CJC Off-Road. They set us up with some murdered out King 2.5. So we've got hoses that are black, reservoirs that are black, bodies that are black. All of the miscellaneous parts and pieces are anodized black. So we have got a full murder rig with all of our accenting gold. So we are getting ready to put this beast back together because we cannot be without our main girl and we can't be without our tow rig. So we got to get this beast back together. We've got fresh bumpers. We've got a hood over there that's painted. We've just got stuff scattered everywhere. We've got a set of Reaper traction bars. If you guys need a set of Reaper traction bars, I actually do have a discount code. I'll put that down there. But all of our Carly goodies are powder coated. We have got our OEM diff cover. Check that bad boy out. We're getting ready to put this back together. Michael has also been doing his thing underneath there. So we've got the underneath there looking already actually pretty dang good. So maybe I'll show you guys that a little later on, but we are gonna rock out this weekend and we are going to get the rest of the truck back together. Before we get into any work, shameless plug of the video, boys. If you haven't gotten entered for our latest truck giveaway, I'm not sure what you are waiting for. 50,000 mile third gen G56. Actually, we're gonna go over on this side because if you haven't seen the paint already, goodness gracious, the sun is just doing wonders on that PB7 paint right there. Diamond C trailer, 10 grand. If you haven't ventured over to the website, I would strongly suggest you do so. We just restocked a whole bunch of stuff. We've got all the new designs. Check out the new designs. By golly, they are insane. Got the 05 shirt. Turbos and tall boys, because that's just, you know, that's the weekend. We've got our 3,337 horsepower shirt of the engine in the 05, and also not to be seen right here, but we do have a Shorty design. Shorty's just sitting out there chilling, waiting for her winter upgrades as well. But anyway, guys, go get entered. Any dollar that you spend on wrenchworks.com through the 18th gets you entered to win that beast. You're gonna come out here, you'll spend the day with us. It's gonna be awesome. But anyway, before I lose my breath, let's get to work. Let's put this beast back together. Play catch up just a little bit here. Got the front end started to go back together, got the coils back in, got our new blacked out King 2.5 shocks. Those are all on there. Started working on putting the mirrors back together and our little painted antenna shark fin thing. A little bit of a pain. You got to drop the front part of the headliner down, take the A pillars down. You don't really need to take the B pillars down, but you can sneak your hands all the way up in there. You've got a couple attachment points, one little nut and a two antenna kind of connections up in the headliner there that you need to take down, but not a big deal. Like I said, mirrors, put the door panels back on, put those back on, and pretty much started in the rear, worked our way forward. So rear bumper is back on. All that beautiful powder coat that you can only really see if you kind of like dip up in here, but all that stuff's done. Rear shocks, need to do a little touch up underneath here. We'll fix that. But rear shocks are on. We'll go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Rear diff cover needs to get put on, but all that stuff is back together. Bed is lowered back down. Got our paint matched third brake light. Even though these things come black from the factory, we always paint match them. That way they look PXR, kind of like all throughout. So got that going back together. That's done. We got a bumper, we got a grill, we got some other stuff over here that we're gonna wrap up, but just wrapping up the miscellaneous odds and ends things here, and we should be in good shape with the tow hooks back on. But we're rocking and rolling. This thing should be pulling out of the shop here in just a little bit. Mexican hitting you.
Oh, I am full.
El Ranchero. Anyway, guys, this is quite a bit of a different setting here from the last clip here. We are on a little side quest on this fine Tuesday. Let me back the seat up because Dawson's got short little legs apparently. But we are actually up in Indiana. We're headed to Spencer Trailers, which we've actually gotten a couple trailers here before. They are actually the largest stocking Diamond C dealer to us, and kind of like in the Indiana-ish area. So if you guys are looking for a Diamond C trailer, Spencer Trailers is the spot. You guys will see that here very shortly. But long story short, our 38-foot gooseneck trailer is at Diamond C, getting some updates and some upgrades, and we have literally no other gooseneck trailers. The Peterbilt is about to be down for the winter. It's winter makeover. So we're in this like really weird space where we really need another trailer because I want to go ride the Razor. It's riding season. We've got other stuff we need to pick up, and we don't have a trailer to go do any of that stuff. So we have a need, and the guys over at Spencer Trailers are always awesome. They always take care of us. Instead of running all the way down to Diamond C, these guys keep a ton in stock, which you guys, again, will see. So let's head over there. Let's go pick up our new trailer to us. Well, it's actually new. It is brand new. It's new to us, and it is new. But anyway, that's where we're at. Michael is just finishing up a couple odds and end things on the dually while we're going up to grab this. So we are in the, again, we have a truck shortage issue too, because the only truck that has a gooseneck hitch in it, besides the dually right now, which is why, again, why we need the dually back ASAP, is old Blue Chew here. So, you like that?
Really threw that in there. I was not expecting that.
So let's just head over to Spencer Trailers before I make more inappropriate comments and jokes and stuff. But anyway, all right. This could be your new view, but you haven't gone to wrenchworks.com yet. Got yourself entered to win this beast. Back from our trip to Spencer Trailers with our trailer. Again, huge thank you to those guys. Always a big help. Again, if you need a Diamond C trailer in and around the Indiana area, I would highly suggest checking them out. Tons of stuff in stock. But in other news, the dually is officially done. We've actually spent a couple more days kind of wrapping up all the details on it. So the dually 3.0 version is officially done. We've actually got this thing ceramic coated, paint corrected. We took it down to our good buddy Matthew Fox down in Tennessee, and he did a full correction, got this thing completely detailed up, and I am so stoked on the way that it is looking. Again, small little details and just the hint of all the powder coating that I probably should have done forever ago. Decided to do the tow hooks gold. I was kind of back and forth with it. I was like, I don't know, it might be too much for me, but I'm digging it for now. It sets it off a little bit in the front, so I'm digging it. But again, whole new fresh paint in the front end, all the details done. Got our gold coils, we got our King 2.0s, we got some gold Carly stickers down there, all the powder coat completely done, fresh paint, fresh powder. Got our Reaper traction bars popping down here. Again, we've already had rock lights installed, same rock lights that we have on the website, which can get you entered to win the blue truck over here. The giveaway ends on the 18th, which by the time this video goes up, we're on like, I don't know, maybe a week left on this beast, but we are looking good and fresh underneath here. Again, new stickers on the coilovers, all the gold, freshened everything up. Matthew Fox does such a good job. Diamond Detailing 931 is his name. If you guys need detailing stuff, absolutely killed it. So he freshened up the entire frame. This thing has been completely touched everywhere. So super pumped on the way that it turned out. And she is ready to get back into tow action. So, can't be without our dually, can't be without our tow rig. And we are pretty much wrapped up on version 3.0 of the dually. Again, a little bit of the same look, a lot more gold detail. So, that is going to wrap up this video, guys. Again, if you haven't gotten entered, 20 times entries are live. They are back for the last week. Anything that you buy on wrenchworks.com, it doesn't matter, even if it's a gift card, still counts towards entries. Anything you buy on the website counts towards entries times 20 because the highest entry multiplier is back for the last week. I would go now because you're going to forget again, but make sure you guys get entered in the giveaway. Truck trailer, 10 grand. Super sick setup. We were driving it around today doing our last little bit of filming for the giveaway. This thing is an absolute blast to drive. If you have never driven around a 6-speed Cummins, just man, it's just an experience. And this thing is so beautiful. It's so clean. It is ready and waiting for one of you guys to win it. I can't wait to hand over the keys and spend the day with whoever wins this beast. It is going to be an amazing day, and it could be you. But it'll never be you if you don't take a chance to get entered. So, wrenchworks.com, get entered. We will see you guys in the next video coming up very soon. We got tons of stuff coming down the pike, tons of parts coming in on the daily, but that is going to wrap it up. We'll see you guys in the next video very soon. See ya.
We ready. Motivation to youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plate.